And yeah, the second thing I want to talk about is this political American society is completely down to two choices, and that's between Republicans, which are like I don't know, they still look like slave owners when Trump showed up, ready to hate everybody. The he's been called everything. Chauvinist. He's like America first. He's totally somebody who dislikes women. Someone who dislikes minorities. He's like the epitome of republicanism in its honest sense, and that's like at least it's honest. And the other guy is like Biden is really coming from this Hillary. He's like a killer, so he's like Hillary already like was willing to go into to war with Russia, So these people are really insane, and I don't know how long it's been going on, but it's been going on for too long, without anybody noticing. That's the scary part. And I wonder what Americans can do about this, because this puts everybody in an awkward situation if you don't care, really, because you're in part responsible for what your president is capable of. Because it's serious. I think like as Dostoevsky said, everybody's responsible for everything. If you choose this kind of a leader who you knowingly if you're I don't know, like they've been speaking about politics lately in America. This didn't used to be a topic. Now it's becoming a topic, as rightfully should be. So and like it's unbelievable, and this is like a world leader. So we've like almost given up on our future. With this, and we don't care, and that is scary, that we can be this deceived and this greedy to be led by this blasphemous union that decides it's going to be so just because it can, because we choose not to do anything. And you can do. You cannot vote for any of them. This is like, this can be known. This can show in the polls, because like you don't want these people as leaders, really. They do so much damage to others. Anyways, yeah, that's it.